That's the bloopers.
I think that's it.
That's the bloopers.
I think that's it.
Boy, you looking like a crackhead.
Yeah, that's it right there.
Pause.
Hey, what? What?
Pause.
Let's
start the video.
Word.
Scratching. You need some car oil grease for them hands, bro. Shit.
Just take it easy, champ. Why don't you stop talking for a while?
Well, let's be nice. Let's be nice. We don't have to go there. I mean, you're not wrong, but you didn't have to say it. I mean, good Lord.
I'm about to get you.
All right, chill. Chill. They talking right now, but let them rock. You feel me?
Nigga say car oil grease. Nah, bro.
Oh shit. All right, chill. Yo,
WD-40 my real quick and come back.
Scratching. Always come lotioned up.
Hold up!
Hey, yo, whoa. Oh, nah. What? That was dumb, gay. Oh, the hell no, that's getting put in there. And it's going to the bloopers. I gotta make a bloopers for this one. This one going crazy.
Scratching. Yeah. Knowing me, I'll probably cut myself.
Yo, be careful. Don't cut the thing, bro. I gotta do your thing. I believe it.
Professional shank, you feel me?
What?
Scratching. Yeah, so the other day, I was coming from work. I was pressing down, you know.
No, damn, now I gotta beat that out.
Scratching.
And a young nigga want to get sponsored, you feel me? I just want some kind of help, you know, cause this ain't cheap, you know what I'm saying? That's why my car ain't moving now, you know what I'm saying? Like, for real. But yeah, I got
scratching.
Yo, what you said earlier, something Yo, chill. Whoa. I can't believe that wasn't my guy.
Scratching.
Ash on my hands match
the
the dirt on the car.
Bro, I'm telling you that
we
car
both going through the struggle. Like.
Scratching. I drink water. You feel me?
Yo, gotta get the gas out.
Scratching. Dang, bro, you gotta move that hand, bro. That ash is crazy.
Gotta spit on that shit.
Wait.
Pause.
Pause.
Oh, wait, bro. Come on now, Craig. Come on, Sight. I like power. Pause. Hey, never mind.
I ain't even going.
Hold up!
I ain't even going.
I'm done. I'm done for the day. I ain't saying shit. You want me to hold the hood? Yeah, I got it.
Pause.
Boy, man. Yo, dogs.
I needed a what? Refreshment.
That's refreshment.
Yeah.
This refreshment.
Damn right.
You saw 10? Shit got me doing all the damn work. I don't pay for this motherfucker.
Are you about to engage in blasphemy?
Damn right.
Them Johnnies. Hey man, how? What's it, Johnny? Oh. My God. Yeah, I got it. Don't look at me like that.
Damn right. So when we gonna start vlogging some of your content?
I don't know,
your YouTube
man.
page getting popular. What we gonna name it?
Shit. Slowest nigga on the block. I don't know.
Well, let's be nice. Let's be nice. We don't have to go there. I mean, you're not wrong, but you didn't have to say it. I mean, good Lord.
Slowest nigga on the block.
Nah, come on.
Nah.
Damn right. Yeah, my hands did not get any better.
As you can tell. Nah, I mean, it ain't look that bad now, but before, boy, you looking like a crackhead.
Damn right.
Yeah, man. These females be hitting my car. They supposed to be hitting my line. You feel me? That shit crazy, yo.
Your car is supposed to get in your line.
Word.
I heard you.
Man, they supposed to be hitting my line, not my car.
Damn right. The code order, dog.
Them critters come out at night. You feel me? They gonna start working on the car with us.
Damn right.
What you need? Nah, they gonna get the engine oil for your grassy ass hands.
No. Pass me the red. Go ahead to the red. Like, yo, how you over?
Yo, who's man's? Yes, sir. Well, until tomorrow. See you on the block.
Oh, good. You stopped talking.